We've been doing projects for 5 years on this house and we're still going at it. Just turned out so good and like exactly what I imagined. Here's our room that we're gonna be refinishing. Floors are so squeaky. Hot mess. This carpet is gonna be gone. We had something here that we just got rid of, but here's the before. There you go.
A dozen pair of shoes. I hate when you do that.
Whoa, it's weird, it's echoey. Yummy mouse poop from when we had a mouse and we couldn't, because this was all blocked off. They must have gotten under there. Yeah. We had a mouse like, what was that, like 2 or 3 years ago?
4 now. There's a good spot.
So bad. So our last room in our house to demo out and do the floors is this room right here. So I'm going to take you guys along a little time lapse showing you this room. It's actually a funny story because this room is technically our master bedroom. It's bigger as far as square footage goes, but we decided to have this be my cloffice because it just worked better. It's super long and skinny, so our bed didn't quite fit in here how we wanted it, so we ended up with a more square room on the back side of the house instead. And it was a good decision because it does get kind of loud with the street on the front side. But let's go as we demo out this room. I'm really excited to see the after. We have a lot of stuff in this room. Let me show you. All right, room is cleared out. This carpet is nasty. Here it is. We didn't take anything off the walls yet, and we still need to take stuff off the bottom here so that Connor can rip up the floor. As you can see, the floor is coming in from the hallway over here already, and that we just kind of stopped, cut that out because my brother's dog actually chewed a hole when I locked her in here at one point. So this just got ripped out, and we just stopped here when we did the rest of the house. So, and this room needed the most amount of work. So yeah, I'm excited to finally do it. It only took us like 6 to 9 months to do it, but we're getting there. Ooh.
What?
It might work. Oh yeah.
right, flooring in the house is done. I repeat, flooring in the house is done, son. Thanks, baby, you too.
So many shoes. So this is the finished room. I love how it turned out. Oh, I'm so excited. There's just so much more space in here. It opens up the entire center, and I'm hoping that I get more daylight from the window here, having the mirror over here and the vanity over here. I'm just super excited. It just turned out so good and like exactly what I imagined. I kind of like laid it out on this room planner app to see, just kind of like feeling it out, trying to figure out the best way to do it. And I think this way is the best way for this room size. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.